guys, we're live here with the Unity IT Gigs virtual reality project. So this is just like a little testing. We're like testing functionality here. We're just playing. Like you see, we have simple shapes, nothing too complicated or stylish. But we're just here playing with the gravity. We just created here we look here at the player. We can see that we have a player script. We're gonna use that in order to move the player. We have some rigid bodies, and we also have some ones that apply gravity. So for example, these two on top, since they have gravity, they will fall as a normal body in our world would do. And then these are static, so they will remain. They will just be the objects with physics, they will just collide against them. So yeah, we're just gonna test the functionality real quick. So we play. Oh, and I forgot to say, we do have a little sparkings coming out of that box. Oh yeah, literally. So as you can see, actually, let me show you something. We have the design mode. We can navigate here, left and right, but we want to be the player. So we actually created here a script for the cameras, the one that is gonna follow the player. So that's the one that we're gonna focus on. Let's make this bigger a little bit, and then we click back into the screen. Oh, that click made me change the camera, and then so it's gonna move my guy rotates. Yeah, so he actually can jump too. You see that? Yeah, that's cool. That was applied actually using let me see if I can remember. Actually, we have the player script, but we also, in the player script, we have this called jumping force, and jumping force uses a feature that is built into Unity engine that we can apply, because this also have this called rigid body. This is what make a body act like it would in the natural world, and follow the laws of physics. So this two combined, so we can add this jumping force, and because we have this rigid body. So many times you see how Unity needs of the framework to work together to have some synergies in order to achieve certain features or movements. Anyway, so we want a soccer ball. I mean, I will not pick a red ball, but this one is, I need to work on my technique, as you can see. Yeah, alright, trapped it there. And so if you see, I'm not kicking it, right? So that is because of the way I got the physics of it. I mean, of course I can stop, but once I push it, then I continue with the ball. I want to avoid that, right? So on the next video, we'll show you how. Here I continue juggling the ball, dribbling. Yeah, it's a speedster. That's my problem. Faster than the ball. Anyways, I can do here a bicycle kick, turn, header. Oof, that's a foul, referee. Anyways, we can change here the screen if you want. And oh, we're coming into the camera now. The idea was to dribble those cones, but I think I'm gonna have a hard time. I missed the two last training sessions. So anyways, we'll see you in the next video. Ciao.